burning 500 more calories each level until I reach 5,000 in one go. Today is level 6, 1,000 calories on the bike, 2,000 running on the trail. Let's get started. 1,000 bike ride starting in 3, 2, 1.
Very hot today, around 90 degrees. Hopefully it makes me burn these calories faster. I don't got much time today. This bike ride is killing me today.
86 minutes in, hopefully we can get it done. 15 more minutes, we'll see. I completed the biking portion, ended up stopping at 900 calories because I need to speed up this process to get to 3,000, and I'm faster burning calories running. So now I need to burn 2,100 calories running before sunset. The running portion starting now. A little over a fourth done with the run. Got a chug jug in me. Now I have 1,200 more calories. Still banged up, got a cramp. My leg hurts. But I'm gonna run until 8:30, so an hour, 15 more minutes. Run/hike. Hopefully I hit 2,100 total calories by then. If not, then I lose. I only got all day. Alright, I ended it early. I failed the challenge. Very soft, but my legs literally don't work. Hour 18, 5.9 miles, total calories 1,048. So I'll add that to the 900 something to see what I get. So I failed at the 3,000 calorie challenge. That was inevitable. Barely passed the last one. Hopefully we get back into, or maybe change the content from just abusing myself, these physical challenges, into actually catching fish. I just had to get through July and August, the worst months to fish, but we'll see. Some more fishing content on the way now that I failed.